What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, this is Sister J. I welcome you. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for coming back. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Put your notification bell on so you can be notified when I'm on. Today I'm cooking some banana porridge, Jamaican banana porridge. Jamaican style, Sister J's way. Green banana porridge. Come along with me and see how I make my green banana porridge. Jamaican style, Sister J's way. Here's a rundown of my ingredients. I have my green banana peel right here and it's already cut up. I have my coconut milk. This is 2 cups of coconut milk. Sweetened condensed milk. Cinnamon powder. Nutmeg. Vanilla. And here I have some cinnamon leaves straight from Jamaica. And cinnamon stick. Normally you'll add some salt to that, but I'm not putting salt in mine. And because I'm using sweetened condensed milk, I won't be putting any sugar. I'm going to blend the banana. Now I'm gonna pour the coconut milk in the water that I have here already boiling. I'm gonna have this boil up a little. So I'm gonna wash my cinnamon leaf and my cinnamon stick and put it in. So now the water is boiling up. Well, in fact, the coconut milk. Yes. So now I'm gonna have the Guys, this smells so good. Wow, this cinnamon. This place is smelling with cinnamon. Wow. Look at the porridge, guys. Guys, if you want, you can always add some oats to it. Or you can add some peanut, you know. But I'm just doing the straight banana porridge. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. Okay guys, it's time to sweeten the porridge. I'm gonna pour some sweetened condensed milk in. Guys, I'm not using any sugar, so I'm using all the milk. Okay? No sugar in this porridge. So I'm using all the sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm gonna put some nutmeg. That's a teaspoon. You know, Sister J love to dash and pour and tip. Some vanilla. I have rose water, but I'm not putting rose water in there. All right. Guys, the porridge look good. Now I'm gonna put some cinnamon powder, although I have cinnamon stick and cinnamon leaf in there. Not true. See it there, guys? The porridge ready now? Ready for drink. You see it? Sister J banana porridge. Ready to drink. They're gonna share it right now. So guys, I'm gonna share out some of the porridge. Guys, there you have it. My green banana porridge. Jamaican style, Sister J's way. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share this video, like and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance. Stay blessed.